Kindly please respond to me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Come on, please respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. You can hear me, you can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our last session. So last session, not yesterday, I mean to say day before yesterday, we completed discussing about connection pooling. See, I already told you, actually last 3 to 4 days back only we completed JDBC. JDBC means mainly you need to have listen, right. JDBC means mainly we need to have an idea about how to connect our Java program to the database. We know how to do that. So when you speak about JDBC architecture, totally there are 7 components are there. JDBC API, after that, driver manager class, drivers, connection interface, statements, results set, and SQL exception. We know that. We already know that. We know how to connect our Java program to the database. That is by using class dot for name after the driver manager dot get connection method, URL, username, password, connection interface. From the connection interface, depending upon our requirements, we need to call either create statement or prepared statement or prepare call. And yeah, according to the SQL queries, we need to write execute query or execute update or execute also. We need to do that, and we already know, we already covered. And after that, we started discussing about transaction management. We know that transaction management will be working on one principle, that is do everything or do nothing. We know that. We already covered that. And the very first step you need to deal with transaction management is disabling the auto commit. Yeah, we know that. And after that, day before yesterday, we started discussing about connection pooling. So basically, what do you mean by connection pool? Connection pool consists of a set of pre-established connection objects. Connection pool consists a set of pre-established connection objects, and whenever a user needs a connection object, we'll be trying to assign it. So once the user work is completed, again he will be returning, and we need to add that connection object back into the pool. Once everything is completed, we just need to invalidate, closing the connection. That's it, not more than that. We already covered that. Now yesterday we started discussing about metadata information. Okay, you know what do you mean by metadata? Metadata means data about the data. So when you're speaking about JDBC, it supports 4 forms of metadata. 4 forms. First one, database metadata. After that, yesterday you did not wrote. Try to remember database metadata. After that, just no, hang on. Try to remember prepare statement metadata, result set metadata, and row set metadata. Okay. First, kindly please try to have all these, yeah, parameter metadata. First, try to have all these in your notes. Come on, go ahead. A little bit theory is there today. Kindly please try to make that happen. Please try to have this in your notes. Go ahead. Database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, and row set metadata. Please. Guys, can I switch off this TV? Okay. Just try. Four modes of metadata. Database metadata provides metadata about the entire database. Parameter metadata provides information about the parameters used in prepared statement. Yesterday, I already told you parameter metadata may not work. It's not like may not, it will not work for all the methods. Result set metadata, yeah, it will work. Row set metadata also, yeah, exactly same like result set, it will work. Go ahead. Is it done? Okay. Online students, if completed, kindly please try to message me in the chat for me, guys. Make sure to message me in the chat so that I'll be able to know that it's done. Otherwise, I'll not be able to know. Please message me. Okay, that is good. So please keep assigning as database metadata. Keep your citing as database metadata. And there are some methods are available in database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, and row set metadata. First, I want you to write all the methods along with the descriptions, literally self-explanatory. After that, we'll try to see them in our code. Start. First, database metadata. Go ahead, please. Database metadata, get database product name. Okay, what it is going to return? Name of the database product means basically which database you are using. Which database we are using? Oracle, exactly. Database product version. Okay, which version you are using? Absolutely. Driver name. Okay. Whether our database supports stored procedures or not. Okay. Parameter count. Get parameter type. Take time, guys. No problem. Write slowly. Absolutely okay. No worries. Lot of time is there. Feel free to write them slowly, clearly, understand and write, please. And we will try to use this in our code. ఫ్యాన్ వన్లోనూ కింద పెట్టేది మరీ గాలి ఎక్కువ వచ్చేది. హుస్సేన్ టూలో పెట్టు. స్పీడ్. Online students, one more time I am requesting, if completed, make sure to message me in the chat. Okay. Guys, tell me one thing. Are you understanding the methods and their descriptions? I just use normal English so that easily you will be able to understand. Is it done? How many are writing? Raise your hands. Carry on, carry on. 2 minutes. Is it sufficient? 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Starting from now. 2 minutes. Go ahead. One minute. One last minute. Right, right. Please write. And guys, I'm uploading the notes every day. I hope you are checking that. And yes, even I'll upload this one also. But there is a reason why I'm asking you to write. So it's okay. Please make sure to write it in your notes. 30 seconds. And done. Continuation, please. Please. Result set metadata and row set metadata. Result set. Result set means the data which we will be trying to acquire from the database by using the method execute query. Okay. From that result set interface, rs dot. Okay. Fine, 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 fine. Please. And please do remember, result set is the return type for execute query. Execute query. So right now, whatever the methods you are using, those methods will return the value which is present in your result set. So don't forget that. Online students, one more time. If completed, please make sure to message me in the chat. Guys, how many of you are writing? Raise hands writing. 2 minutes sufficient? 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, please. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. All right. Is it done for everyone? Respond. Okay, perfect. Now let's try to see this in our code. Wait, don't open your laptops. Please wait. Let us try to implement this metadata in our code. Okay. Girls, I have a doubt. Who wants to answer? Raise your hands. I have a doubt. I have a question. Who wants to answer? Raise your hands. First, you tell me the question, then we'll raise. Yes? Mhm. In interview also, that's it. First, you tell the questions, then only we'll come to interview. Otherwise, we will not come. Do whatever you want. You will say like that? Come on, guys. Obviously, I'm not going to ask you the questions which I did not cover. That is for sure. One more time. Let's try this one more time. I have a question. Who wants to answer? Raise your hands. Raise. Okay. Only two people. Boys, same question. I have a question. Who wants to answer? Three. Down. Good job, guys. Amma, up to now, what are the programs which you had covered? Did you wrote them in your Eclipse? All the programs? Are you sure? Last chance. Okay. If I requested you to write a code, can you write? Yes? Yes or no? Come here. Silence. Absolutely silence. JDBC Pro 11. Please come. Write a connect method. Yeah. Please try to write a connect method where the method name is connect and its return type is connection interface. It is supposed to return me a connection object. No discussions, please. I said no discussions. Absolutely no discussions. Don't turn your back. Don't open your laptops. Don't look at your code. Take time.
हाँ बंद हो काय बंद हो नहीं दूसरा भी करा था तो लीटर कम करो ये मिलेंगे
Yeah, that is absolutely perfect. But I want my code to be looking a little bit nice. Could you please make that braces down? I just need some structure. That's it. In line number 13, I'm having the braces now. Please get that down. Line number 13. Yes. And try block. Just the code is okay. I just want my code to be a little bit more eye catch. That's it. Not more than that. Remove that line number 16 space. Okay. So connection, try URL, username, password, return code. Absolutely perfect. Good job, Tali. You can go. Thank you. Good job. Buddy, you. Yeah, please. Not you. Back. Yeah, you. Please. Yeah. Write a method, please. I'll tell you. Take the method name as just simply method one. If possible, try to scroll a little bit down so that everyone will be able to see that. Down, still down. Come to line number 34. Line number 34. Enter. Go ahead. Enter. Try to enter. Good, nice. So that, is it visible? Okay. Now, what's the name? Harshad. Harshad, yeah, let's try to call the connect method and let's try to use a prepared statement for a query. We'll do one thing. Let's go up to our instance variables, and please give the query. I want to retrieve the employee. Retrieve the data from the employee table basing on employee ID. Go ahead. Please give the query for that. The table name is employee table. Yeah, fine. Feel free to retrieve all the columns, please. Basing on EMP ID, EID. What is the column name, EID or EMP ID? Okay, please check that. Harshad, open my database, please. Yes, system manager. Uh, let's try to use small letters, please. Execute. System. Execute. Just check it. Connected. Finally. Let's clear the screen, please. Clear the screen. Please clear the screen. And yeah, check our employee table. Please check the employee table. Description. DESC. Employee. And EID. Carry on, please. So let's start from where. Remember, I want to use prepared statement. Prepared statement. Perfect. Okay. So just a small SYSO statement, implementing metadata, just a small statement, implementing metadata. Implementing metadata. Feel free to use shortcut, Harshit. Okay, perfect. Sure. Okay, now call the connect method. Get our connection object, please. Hang on. No discussions, please. No discussions. Okay. Please get the braces down for me in try block. Thank you. Catch also, please keep it down. Catch. Line number 35. Line number 35. Yeah, please. That is good. Now, we'll do one thing before going to the prepare statements. Let us try to get database metadata. We already wrote the methods on database metadata, na? Okay. So in order to get the database metadata, we need to use connection object. Con dot get metadata. Please check with that. And what is the return type? What is the return type for that get metadata? Remove that. Hang on. Wait. Con dot just write metadata. Wait. What is the method name, guys? Respond. No. What is the method name? Get metadata is the method name, and what is its return type? Database metadata. So get metadata method is going to return database metadata. Please write get metadata. Okay. Equal to DMTDT. MTTT. T for meta. MT. You have written MP. T. Remove that P. Okay, fine. And that belongs to database metadata. Please write database metadata. Control space. Done. Now you have written all the four methods. In your notes, you have written the four methods now. Let's try to check all the four methods with the help of DMTT. We are having the database metadata. Na? You know, that's an interface. Let's try to check them, right? Please check all those four methods. What is the first method? First method. What is that? Get database product name. Go ahead. SYSO. SYSO. YSO. Control space. Okay. And do one thing. Feel free to open this and copy this, copy, and here double quotes. Let me just try to use this. Control V. Hang on. Okay, copy. Let us just try to paste it. We are trying to implement this method right now. Plus call. Please call the method. Please call the method. Dot get database product name. Please check for remaining all the three methods exactly like that. Go ahead. Get database product version. Please check the method name. I think it's product version. Yeah. Kindly please do remember, up to now, we did not use any prepared statement. We are using this get metadata. We are trying to get the metadata of the connection object, the database metadata. Remember that. Driver name. Perfect. Let's check whether it supports stored procedures or not. DMDT. MDT dot. Absolutely. Just you can paste it. Please give the parenthesis method representation. Let's execute. Let's try to call. Let's see. Yeah, execute. Let's execute. Let's see. Right click, right click, right click, run as Java application. Yeah, please. And hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Try, solve. No, no, no. See, when you are coming to coding, generally this happens for everyone. It is easy to find the mistakes for others. But whenever we are writing, it will be hard. Believe me, I know that. Once we find out our problem, we will never do the same mistake again. It may take time, but we'll never do the same mistake again. Remember that. Perfect. So yeah, what is our database product name? Oracle. I am using Oracle 11. I mean, my database, I already told you, I'm using Oracle 11 and please. And of course, ours is thin Java driver, pure Java driver, that is type 4. And yeah, it supports stored procedures. I believe you're getting the point here, guys. This is how we need to get the data for database metadata. Good job, Harshad. Nice. Good one. Nice. Impressed. Okay. Now, guys, just a small, let me just try to make it as Meth 1 and here also I'm going to write it as Meth 1. Okay. So four modes of metadata are there. First one, database metadata, done. What is the second one? Please tell me, what is the second one? Parameter metadata. Let me just try to, I want to call a prepared statement. I want to call prepared statement. Please tell me con dot prepared statement. I'll be using my SQL query, which Harshad has given. This is a query. Okay. And equal to, come on, PSTMT belongs to prepared statement. Okay. I want to execute. Wait, to execute, I need to set the values now. I need to give EID, employee ID. Okay, sure. Let me just try to write PSTMT dot set string 1 and here employee ID, I'm just trying to go with 101. I guess series select star from EMPLOY employee 101 is there, I guess. Yeah, 101 is there. Fine. Okay. Now after that, PSTMT dot exect execute. Help me execute query equal to rs result set. Just let me try to write result set. Okay, okay. Now let me try to get result set, sorry, parameter metadata. Parameter metadata. So let me go like pstmt dot get parameter metadata and equal to pmtdt and here I'm going to write parameter metadata. Now in parameter metadata also we are having some methods are there. Just let me try to use those methods. First one is get parameter count. Yeah, we'll be able to get that. Get parameter count pstmp stmt dot sorry, what is that? Oh, my mistake. PMT, this metadata, right? This is prepared statement. Okay, that is different. This is different. Okay, dot get parameter count. Okay, now exactly like this. Just 2, 3, 4, and what is that? Get parameter type. Here I'm going to use get parameter type, and here also I'm going to give get parameter type. I'm just going to give one. First parameter, one, give only one. And after that, here get parameter mode. Okay, mode. Is it in parameter or out parameter or else in out parameter? And yeah, is it nullable or not? I'm just trying to get all these data. Remember, first one, database metadata. This is for parameter metadata. Parameter metadata means nothing but prepared statement data. Okay, let me just try to keep these things in common for a minute. Okay, now let us try to get the metadata for a result set also. Result set metadata is also there now. Okay, just copy and hang on. Okay, now result set metadata. rs dot get metadata and its return type is okay, rsmtdt. Just let me try to go like result set RESULT result set metadata. Now here also I do have some methods, and those methods, just let me try to go with first one is get column count. Okay. First get column count plus rsmtdt dot get column count. Okay. My first method, and one, two, three, four. Okay, now get column name. Let me just try to get that get column name. Yeah, only one. After that, get column display size. I'm speaking about the size which is present in the database. And after that, is it auto increment or not? Okay, let me just try to check with that. Up to now, let's try to execute, guys. Shall we? Now, kindly please do remember what is the query we have given? Select star from employee where EID. What is that EID? 101, 101. So there will be only one record. One record. Yes? Come on. Okay. Let's execute. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. This we already seen that. Get parameter count. How many parameters I'm trying to pass for this query? Only one. Sir, what about remaining methods? Yeah, wait. I'll show remaining methods. Wait for it. Now let's try to get here. Get column count. How many columns are present in our result set? I want you to kindly please, okay, just we'll do one thing. SELECT select star from employee where EID equal to 101. Now, okay, just a second. Set line size 200 SET. Set line size 200 and okay, just a second. Okay, so right now, if you observe, I have given the query. Just a second. Let me. Okay, I have given this query and I got all these rows. I mean, okay, 101 Kishan, Basina, 35,000 and Hyderabad. Totally, how many are there? One, two, three, four, five. Five. I am trying to get the column name for first one. Okay, what is that? EID. EID. What if I have given two? Right click, run as Java application. I believe you're getting the point here. Okay. What if okay, let's try to go with column display size. Okay. What is this display size? One. Okay. For first column, let me just try to, is it 20? Of course it's 20. Let's try to go with 1, 2, 3, 4 ESAL. Okay. Now here I'm trying to give 4. Let's see what happens. Am I going to get my output? You need to help me here. Okay. Now, is it auto increment? Please tell me. Absolutely not. Are you getting the point? Now, coming back to here, our parameter metadata, 52. Okay, 52. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get the parameter type. Parameter type. Let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. What is the problem? Why? Because I already told you prepared statement deals with parameterized SQL query. Whatever the parameters which we are trying to give, those will be accepted by the JVM at runtime. Yes or no? That is the reason unsupported feature. When you're speaking about metadata, I repeat, when you're speaking about metadata, if you are trying to get the metadata for prepared statement, parameter metadata. Lot of times you will be getting this unsupported feature. In real time also, very rarely we'll be, very rarely we'll be using this. Why? Because even if we are using also, it does not make any sense. Why? Because parameters will be giving at runtime, na? So before, how it will be able to know that? Is that clear? Okay. Now, totally there are 4 modes are there, guys. 4 modes. Please tell me first one. Metadata. 4 modes are there, na? What is the first one? Database metadata. Done. After that, parameter metadata. Done. After that, results at metadata. Done. After that, row set. Wait. Row set. Wait. I guess we have written a program on row set. When JDBC 7? Yeah. 7. Now here, I'm going to use exactly the same row set here. Same code I'm using right now. Just a sec. Same, as the same code I'm using. Coming and here, this is for row set. Now, fine. After that, crs dot get metadata. Same, get metadata equal to, let me go like cmtdt belongs to, go ahead, belongs to row set metadata. We'll go with R. If I, okay, ROW, row MTDT. Now, let me just try to typecast into just like this. Right. Hang on. Why we are getting an error? Yes, row set. Sorry, my mistake. Row set metadata. After that, let me just try to use exactly the same. Same methods are available. Let me just try to use here. I'm going to remove this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same methods. Let me just try to execute. 1, 2, 3. Let me make it as 1. Right click, run as Java application. Oh, unsupported feature, parameter metadata. Let me keep this in comment. This is database metadata. This is parameter metadata. This is, help me, result set metadata. This is row set metadata. That's it. Done. Regarding metadata, that's it. And if you observe for row set, please check the query. What is the query? Select EID, EF name, ESAL from employee. So totally how many columns will be there? 3 columns. Okay. Get column counter 3 and get column name 2. Okay. 2 means what is that? EF name. And yeah, we'll be able to get the display size. And is it auto incremented or not? Absolutely not. That is the reason we are getting it as false. Simple concept. Your turn. Go ahead. Just a second. Amma. Row set. There is one more method. Okay, let's go. Let me. Where is this one? Okay, let's try to write one more. System.out.println get column type plus rowmtdt dot get column type EID. Let me go like EID. Let's see what happens. Clear? Wait, why we got 12? Why we got 12? Right? Not size. Did you remember types dot varchar, types dot float? You need to, come on guys. I told you, yes, SQL types. That is the reason we are getting it as 12. Clear? Please. Come on, go ahead. Start. And tell me one thing, guys. You know, I'm using java.sql.connection dot database metadata. A lot of SQL statements I have written. Is it good to write like this or else can I use star? Never use star. Never. My personal recommendation, don't use star. A good programmer always knows whatever the classes he is importing, whatever the exceptions he is handling. So don't use star. Go ahead. Come on, please. Online streams, I guess it's clear. Please, come on, go ahead. If you observe, I did not explain this program. You already know how to write this, yes or no? Yeah, please. 50% of the program is done by you only. Remaining also you can do. Just to save the time I have taken, that's it. You can easily write the entire code. Come on. Feel free to use Control C, Control V, but wisely. You can copy paste, no problem. Right now, you can copy paste, but make it clearly. Why? Because if you're not copy pasting correctly, in front there is servlets. You will be having a lot of trouble in servlet programming if you're not copy pasting correctly. So feel free, you can Control C, Control V, no problem. But write it clearly. Change the code according to your requirements. 10 days before, I only told you don't copy paste. But right now you are habituated. Go ahead. If you are habituated, by the way, if else, if you are having doubt, still if you are unable to write by your own, then okay. Copy paste. I mean, then you need to write it. Actually, writing connection method is not required as of now. Why? Because we are using only for one-time connection object. But it's a good programming practice. That's the reason I requested you to write. Somanath, you did not understand why get column type method is return 12. Somnath, do me a small favor and please check callable statement method. I mean, callable statement program. In callable statement, I used types dot varchar, types dot float. Just check that. Then you will be able to understand. If you understand why I have written types dot varchar, then you will be able to understand that 12. Please check that and do let me know. Subham, sir, you are not, I'm not getting, it's okay, no problem. Your version is supporting. If you are getting the output, fine. If you're not getting the output, your version is not supporting. That's it. Please uncomment these lines and check. Please check whether your Oracle is supporting or not. Feel free. You can check that. My Oracle is Oracle 11. It's not supporting. You just check that. Yes, check that. Yeah, you are using Java 25, Subham. Yes. It's okay, no problem. You are getting fine. Fine, fine, fine. What? Is there any problem? Carry on. Database metadata complete for everyone. Parameter metadata going on. Is it done? Going on, please. How many of you completed writing? Okay. A result set metadata completed? No. How many of you are writing result set metadata? Okay, done. I guess everyone completed parameter metadata. Okay, carry on, carry on. No problem. Carry on. Please carry on. No worries. Carry on. And Monday, we will be discussing about IO streams in JDBC, blob and clob data. Monday. I guess result set metadata is completed. Please. Feel free to use shortcuts. Don't try to type the entire code. Feel free to use shortcuts. Control space. Control space. All right. How many of you done? Raise hands. All right. That is good. That is good. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So Monday we'll be discussing about IO streams. IO streams in JDBC. That is how to pass image, blob or clob data into the database and how to retrieve it back. Monday we'll be trying to discuss what you did up to now. I'm going to show you the code. If anyone wants, feel free to take a pic right from the beginning. That's it. That's it, guys. So we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by Monday. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic weekend. Tomorrow is Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. Sunday, right? Yeah, enjoy it. That's it. Dot. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat if possible. Please respond in the chat, guys. That is good. That is good. Google Classroom code I'm not supposed to provide. Krishna, kindly please ask your admin. They will try to help you with that. Krishna, please try to send mail to support@nareshit.com. They'll help you with that. Okay.